Hello guys, today we are going to look at something really interesting. Today we are going to look at how to edit markups. Um, these markups can help you a lot in delivering work to clients. For example, if you want to really paint a picture to your client and you want to show them how their logo will look so good, the markups are so good in revealing that. Let's check out markups on free pick. As you can do, let me do it again. Here on your Google, you type free pick, it's already there. So free pick has a bunch of already made markups, so we are going to see how you can edit them. Markups. So as you can see, come here and select free for the free. There are also paid ones for the premium version, and of course we are going to edit them in Photoshop. So you can come and open, press PSD. So we can start looking for what we are going to use. Let's look for the best one. Which one can we use? Which one can we use? Which one can we use? Now, so let me look for the best one that we can use. There are a bunch of them, so it depends on your choice on which one you want to use. So let me see. Let me check out this one and let's see. Yeah, as you can see this one, let's try using this one. Come here to download, click here, come here and press PSD, Photoshop. As we're waiting to download. Wait a minute, wait for it to download, then we can reveal it and see. Yep, hurry up. So here we go, it's done. So we come here and click and we open it in Photoshop and see. So this is it. We are going to see how you can edit it. So you come here to the layers section and look. So when you press down here, when you click down here, you see the logo, it's already here. So what you are going to do, you are going to replace this logo. As you can see, there are the effects that they already made, the fade, the lights, the soft light. So really don't want to tamper with that. So just our role is just to come here and you see this logo here. Let's first import ours. Come here to files and place embed. Now let's look for our logo. My logo here. Place. Yeah. So we come here. We have to position it the exact same way as the other one. Press out to scale it without losing any quality. So you come here and delete this one. We remain with our logo. So when you then after this you come here and press this and you try to cancel, but this time around you save it. So when you save it, it will automatically save the changes. Ta-da! As you can see, it has smoothly brought up their logo. As you can see, it looks so realistic. As you can see it looks so perfect. So this thing is very good in submitting work for most, especially when you're making logos, so the client has to see how has the client has that in picture. How will my logo look on clothes, on boards or what? So these markups helps really in fixing that. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you another video. Please like and share, comment, most especially comment, and I get to know what you're thinking about this. All right, see you next in our next video.